Hi, welcome op my channel. I'm Milou and I'm here with a new process video. Finally, I know, I'm sorry guys, it has been a while. And it has been a while since I created this layout as well. Guess you saw me put up two fingers, if you were paying attention at least. And it means this is the second part of my previous video. And I think I posted that one about 6 weeks ago. I'm so sorry. Currently, I'm really busy with doing live videos. I am moderator in a Facebook group by DLS Design, and I am doing some live videos with Michelle Drijfhout as well, and it takes up a lot of time. And I had a crazy few weeks, and well, not everything is going right, but yeah, I'm being very creative. That I am, but filming, sorry, it didn't happen. So I hope by putting up this video, finally, I just had to do the voiceover and edit it, but it was filmed already. But by putting up this video, I hope I will get back into a flow of posting more videos for you guys. And I would really love to get more subscribers and reach, well, first of all, the 700, but after that, the 1,000 subscribers, because that means with all the new rules of YouTube that I get something in return too. Well, it's not, I like doing it, but I I figured out while I started my live videos that live videos are quite easy to do, and editing my videos is way more work, and I don't mind. But when my time is getting how do you say, I get little time, then editing is not the, I don't know, how can I say it? I skip editing. I don't know. It's just, it takes too much of my time right now, and I want to get back into it. So I definitely will, and I hope this video will help me do that, because I have to get in the flow again. But yeah, that's the reason why you haven't had a new video for quite a while. And yeah, I hope I will be back, but this is life, and I'm sure you know it. Sometimes we're too busy to do things, or too crazy in our head, or yeah, stuff. So yeah, but I I managed to get this video up, and I know it's only 5 minutes, so it's not even that uh, much work, but still, I don't know. I am already, when I go to the layout right now, I'm already almost done with my layout. And you see I'm using a small page protector with 3 4x4 uh, pockets. And I just cut my 6x4 papers smaller, so those will fit. I'm using the DLS Spring Confetti kit, and here I'm just adding some little bits to give my cards more interest. I used some layers, and you saw me putting lines around the papers. I did that to make the paper stand out a little bit more. You see my uh, yeah, my brand, like a faux stitching border on every card, and I did some fussy cutting. And actually that's all I did for this layout. So yeah, I hope it was a good short video to explain where I've been, and tell you that I hope to be back, but I can't promise anything. And I hope you still like my video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. It makes me even more motivated to make more videos for you guys. I really like doing that, so I hope you like watching them too. For now, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!